Hi, welcome back to a brand new rug video. It is Tuesday, June 22nd, 2021. I didn't know what to do in today's video. I was so confused. I was like, I want to make a rug, but I had no idea what rug to make. So I go and check my yarn and see what colors we had. And I'm running out of the main colors, the neutral colors, white, black. So yeah, that's fun. That's always fun. That's a great time. Say bye to my doggy. And head off to my favorite store now. It's so weird to say because it used to be Best Buy or like GameStop and stuff. Now, nope, it's Joann's. Yes, Joann's is one of my favorite places. I head over here, go to my favorite section, which is the yarn section, and there's a doorbuster, $1.99 per scheme. So you know I had to cop a good amount. I literally was just going to town. I was just having a great time. And here's the big old collection we got going into our cart, literally just all yarn. It was too funny. And after much money spent, I was so shocked at how much I spent for how much yarn I got, and I was just blown away and I was just excited. If you guys want to know the yarn I use Big Twist Value Pack from Joann's. I don't know if you can find it anywhere else, but now I'm going to put my rolls, my yarn into little rolls. So it's perfect, so that way if I don't need that much of a color, I can use just one scheme and make it into multiple little rolls, so that way I can double up on yarn. And the inspiration for today's video, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, one of my favorite shows back in the days, one of my favorite animes, Gundam, SD Gundam. So super excited using the all-time mech show. If you guys don't know, it's either this or Gurren Lagann, one of my two favorite mechs. And yeah, so we head over to Photoshop. For this one, I didn't have to actually mirror because it literally has the very symmetrical face. So I just did that and left it like that and put it onto an SD card. Whipped out the AK-1 cut pile gun I got from Tuft World. I think that's where I got it from. And I always make sure, guys, you have to make sure you clean your guns. I mean, that's just a big necessary thing you have to do, honestly. Next thing I do is I whip out monk's cloth, because I actually wanted to use monk's cloth for this, the premium material, instead of burlap, because I wanted it to be decent and I can do a lot more with monk's cloth than I can burlap. You have to angle yourselves in certain ways. For burlap and monk's cloth, it's not the same. You can like angle yourself in different ways. And yeah, go on here. I'm tracing up the Gundam helmets, making sure I categorize everything: reds, the blacks, the yellows, the whites, making sure I try to separate as much as I can, because we're gonna go in. And there it is, done. But this is after Memorial Weekend. My room was just a mess. I couldn't even continue doing the rug, so I had to clean. I mean, growing up, that's the part of the thing. Growing up, you gotta clean your mess. So yeah, I wasn't happy with how much of a mess my room came out to be. I'm usually a clean person, so I go to town and actually excavate all my clothes that I wasn't even wearing anymore. And then my brother's side, it was a mess too, and I just couldn't live without cleaning it because I'm a weirdo. But now we get to start. So whip out the white, because I'm not going to do the black outline yet. I wanted to try using the colors first and then go out with the outline at the last part. So I think next time around, I'm probably gonna do the outline first, because I think I'm too used to it. But trying this was different. And here is the time lapse of me making this Gundam rug. Taking my time. Bursts. It's like I'm telling you guys, bursts are key to having a somewhat successful rug, especially one with a lot of details. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this and enjoy the white, and then I switch to red, and then I switch to yellow, and then switch to black, and then we're done. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse. boom, I finished the white. It was pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty excited how clean it came out without the outline. So we're gonna switch off to red, and always everything I double up yarn. I don't do single strands of yarn. I double up always because I feel like it's a more consistent outcome when you on the other side. I don't know if you guys do single strands. I mean, let me know. But I do double strands. I haven't done a single strand in a while. Okay, the red is done. Actually, really decent. Not that bad either. I'm just excited, but I'm also nervous using the black outline. It's because I think I went over a little too much, and I felt like I left black lines very thin. So I was like, I don't know how we're going to cut through it. But here we go on to the yellow. Very small part we had to do with the yellow was like the little turbines on the top of the helmet and then the eyes. That's all I had to do for yellow. So it was a very quick one. But yeah. Take your time, enjoy the process. I mean, it's crazy how these things come out and I still trip out on these. It's art, man, I'm telling you. Now that the yellow is done, we switch to the last thing. Last but not least is the black. Just gotta outline it. I mean, it's gonna be hard. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm sorry. Oh, I'll probably listen to my rug playlist on Spotify. If you guys want that, I will probably put in the link in the description below. So it's just a playlist of the songs I listen to while I'm making my rugs, because I like a lot of music. So it's just a random mixture of different genres. So as we're going with the black, I'm kind of nervous because, like I said, a lot of the parts I left for the black to go in were very thin, and I wasn't sure the black was going to come out. As you can see, there's certain spots where it's inconsistent with black, but it's not bad because in the image, the black inside the helmet is kind of inconsistent itself. So I'm not like that, bummed that it looks like that. It still looks, you could tell it's the black. What the black is doing basically is just separating everything and creating its layers of each thing. So yeah, I don't know what I'm really talking about, so you don't have to listen to me here. You can just watch it. Yeah. Okay, so we had a little hiccup here. I just realized after finishing it up. One of the sides, there's 5 black squares, and the other side, there's only 4. I don't know why I didn't trace the 5th one on the last one, but I had to improvise and just pull off white in a square and then put the black. I mean, it doesn't look as good, but it'll pass, I think. I mean, I don't know. Next thing you know, we just put on the glue. We're gonna wait 24 hours. After the 24 hours, we're going to cut it up. I'm going to waterfall stitch it. I don't record that part for some reason. Then I get the backing, spray some adhesive on the back to have it glued together, and then cut it out. And after this, I'm going to be trimming the rug with my sheep shear, and yeah, just going ham, creating some little details and little dips in the rug so it adds some kind of texture to the rug, and bam. There you guys go. Hope you guys did enjoy. Real life me, real time me is going to talk to you guys. Thank you so much. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is it for today's video on my Gundam Rug. I hope you guys did enjoy. This is up for sale on my Instagram. I have it posted up. Go if you're interested, hit the DMs. I can ship it out to you. Or if you're local, we can locally meet up in California. Southern California to be exact. I do meetups as well for these rugs. I still do have the Bad Bunny one up for sale. I know I had a couple people pick at it, but I'm going to price the things that I think are worth what I'm made of. So this one's actually up for $90. This one I have up for $120. I feel like this one was a lot more work to do, a lot more detail, and it actually came out really clean. Super dope, really nice. That's probably one of my favorites so far out of all the ones I've done. Because this is something that pertains to something I actually really like, which is Gundam. Grew up to the Toonami hour block on Cartoon Network was fire with some Gundam, Naruto, and all them. So yeah, I think this is a really great rug. Came out super sick. If you guys are interested, again, go ahead and hit it down below in our social media links. We have our Instagram, where you can do custom orders, or you can purchase rugs I've made off of videos. So I hope you guys do enjoy the future of this content. I'm going to be doing more anime rugs as well because it's one of my favorite things. So I hope you guys will come to the next videos. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you check out all our other videos. We have the shirt making one and our Bad Bunny rug that I have behind me that we made. I hope you guys do enjoy. Make sure you follow us in our social media links down in the description below. Our TikToks, our Twitter, our Instagram. Go ahead and hit that follow. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Stay safe.